Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're doing this very goth type, smoky type, I don't know what you'd call it, look, vampire-esque. Don't forget to comment down below so you can be shouted out in a future video. Also, don't forget that I am doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed for that. First thing you're going to want to do is prime your eyelids. I do that by using concealer. The one I've been using so far at the moment is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer. We're going to go in with raspberry. That's pretty. I don't know why looking at it in pan it looks so maroon, and then you get it on your eye and it's just this beautiful raspberry color, like literally exactly what its name says. We're going in with a little bit of Muse. I'm going to place this on the outer and inner corner, leaving the middle as clear as possible because we're going to do a halo eye. We're going to go back in with a little bit of raspberry just to make sure we're not losing any of it. And in fact, we're going to go into a little bit of licorice. It's that bright red in the Jeffree Star palette. A little bit more licorice. And a little bit more Muse. I'm going to take a little bit of Cone in this Jeffree Star palette. Okay, I'm going to cut the crease real fast. Remember, we're just doing a halo, so. I'm going to put a little bit more black on the edge. And I'm going to take a little bit of Trendy. I'm going to put Trendy on the concealer. Okay, we're going to mix Trendy with And What. Trendy is from the Dare to Create palette from Morphe, the 39A. And What is from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So mixing the two together. Like that. I'm going to put a little bit of black. mix some more and what and trendy. Tag it right on there, make sure it's giving us the look that we want. She is absolutely stunning, like without a doubt, gorgeous. If you guys see any black on my eyes, I did. If you guys see any black on my ears or my face or anything, I did my alien look last night and I did my best to get all of it off, but it is black. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and put a wing. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now on the lower lash line, covered in green. So, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but on the first part of this video, first part of this makeup tutorial, I was rushing because I was almost out of battery. I had to charge it while I was doing my face. By the way, I've added lashes, did my other eye, and my face makeup off camera. So we're going to go in with Muse from the Morphe palette on the lower lash line, like that. This is just living out every middle school fantasy of mine. Oh my goodness. I would have so worn my makeup like this, and it would have pissed my mom off so bad. Okay, I'm gonna take raspberry. Y'all, I need some coffee. I can only make it so long in the morning without it. Okay. You know what? New plan. I don't know what happened to my black. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this wine color. Put that on my lower lash line. Sure you to go missing. I'm gonna line my lips with I'm going to line my lips with this color first. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know about how to go about this, but we're going to try. Okay. Like I said, I don't know how this is going to work. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take this on the lip line too, but just on the very outer edge. I've never done anything like this. I mean, so far it already looks like it's doing what I want it to do. We'll see. I think this may be a little too red for what we're going for. But it did actually turn out the way I wanted it to, so that's good. That's just a little gloss. It doesn't matter what kind it is, just to make it look a little bit. Although if you can find any non-glittery, I just don't have very many glosses. Because I don't personally wear a whole lot of gloss. Okay, we're going to go into a little bit of Jawbreaker and put that on the inner corner. Alright guys, that is it. That is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.